In this video, we are assembling the Easter Bunny Easel card. Now, I've already put this frame together, and I put the liner on the inside of my card. This is an A2 card. You're going to fold it in half, and then this bottom quarter, you're going to fold it in, okay? You're going to take this piece and put some foam tape on it. You want to pop it up a little so that the top of your card can catch behind it. And you're going to line this up close to the bottom right here. And that gives us the catch for this to catch on, okay? Now I've already put my little feet together. Here's the rest of the pieces of my bunny. I'm going to start with the head. And then I'm going to pop my head with some foam tape. So I just want to make sure it's lined up. I'm going to put my centers in my ears. Where's my other one? Uh-oh. I have lost one of the pieces to my rabbit. Give me just a few more seconds to try to locate it. So there is a little piece . Okay, I'm not able to put my hands on it. It's probably stuck to me somewhere. All right. Oh, and I'm missing the center of my bow. Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and attach my bunny to the base here. And there is a center that goes in this ear. I will have to try to locate it. And then that fold goes right there. You want to put on his little tummy. And I think I'm going to use some foam dots for the hands. and then a little one for my bow. I'm gonna hit this lightly with a little bit of brown because it's the same pink as I did the inside of the ear. That will help it stand out a little bit. There we are. And then you're going to take this, and on this bottom quarter here, you're going to glue your bunny. We're just going to glue that right there. So this is the Easter Bunny Easel card. Thank you for joining me.